Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to limit screen time on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone and you're going to look for digital well-being and parental control. And it's over here, just tap on it. And after that, you can set your screen time goal. You just have to click on set goal right here. Then, for example, I'm going to set screen time goal for 5 hours and 45 minutes. And after you're done, you can click on done right here. And you can also set application timer. And for example, for YouTube, I'm going to set 1 hour for YouTube, 1 hour 15 minutes, and you can also choose the day when you want to set timer for YouTube, and you just have to click on the day like this. Alright guys, and after you're done, you can click on done. Okay, and that's how we can limit screen time on Android. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.